Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying permissions and file origin so you don't chase the wrong issue. Open Drive, select the file, and check the Share dialog. Make sure you have View or Edit access. If the file came from a shared link, confirm the owner hasn't restricted access. Also, check your account storage and update your browser. Outdated clients often fail to render previews. Once those basics are settled, move to retrieving a usable copy or repairing the file itself. Now you act on recovery. Download the file and open it with a local compatible app to confirm corruption versus preview error. If it opens locally, re-upload a healthy copy to Drive. Make sure to replace the original or create a new file. If it's a Google Docs type, choose File, make a copy, or use version history to restore a previous state. If the file is corrupted, run a repair tool locally, then upload the repaired version and set sharing to the same permissions. Finish by confirming accessibility and addressing edge cases. Clear your browser cache, disable extensions, or open Drive in an incognito window. Make sure the problem isn't local. Try another device or the mobile Drive app to isolate where failure occurs. If the file remains unreadable after re-uploading and restoring versions, collect the file ID, timestamps, and steps you took. Then contact the owner or Google support. Key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.